Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we are going to see 10 designs in fancy and regular wear dress materials. Price ranging from $7.99 to $14.99. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com from 12:30 p.m. today, and you can place your order directly from our website, and we do free shipping all over India. We will resume shipping from tomorrow. There will be delay in delivery. Orders placed today will be shipped on November 16th. Please order accordingly. Viewers, kindly note, there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting used for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. It is a designer set. The fabric is Georgette. It's a premium Georgette fabric which is a printed design. And we have in the yoke we have cut bead, sugar bead and sequence work neatly done. It is a party wear set, a very elegant one. Let us see how the complete set looks. It is in pastel green. That all the colors in this are in sober shades. As we all know, Georgette is kind of very soft and flowy fabric, a very lightweight and very elegant as well. You can take a closer view of the yoke. We have sugar bead, cut bead and sequence neatly done on the yoke part. The fabric is very soft and flowy. It's kind of textured fabric with abstract print on it. The fabric is very thin and flowy, so lining is needed. It's a tone to tone set. We have matching santoon bottom in same color and dupatta in chiffon, which has all over embroidery, and lace tapings are provided on all four sides. We have 4 different colors in this. So we have sequence work as well as thread work done all over the dupatta in chiffon fabric, and this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is $14.99. We'll quickly take a look at the other colors, all in sober pastel shades. The next is in pink shade with a beautiful work on the yoke. The fabric is Georgette fabric. So this is the top, matching santoon bottom and chiffon dupatta in pastel pink shade. Next we have in pastel grey. The fabric is printed Georgette fabric, matching santoon bottom and chiffon dupatta. All these sets are priced at $14.99. You can buy these products directly from our website neidhal.com from 12:30 p.m. today. So this is the next shade in sober peach color, which is a printed Georgette fabric. So lining is needed with beautiful work on the yoke part. We have matching santoon bottom and chiffon dupatta, which has all over embroidery and sequence, and tapings are provided on all 4 sides. Next we are going to see bandhani dress materials. The fabric is satin cotton, which has a beautiful bandage tie and dye work done all over the top. All these are original tie and dyes. The base color is black with orange combination, a beautiful combination. The fabric is in cotton and it is a very soft fabric. So this is the front side of the top. We have simple bandage design at the back. The fabric is thin but not transparent, so lining is optional. We have orange tie and dye bottom in pure cotton. All these are in dark shades. So it's steamed with mull cotton dupatta. It's a kind of dual shaded dupatta. It's orange with black, and tapings has to be done for the edges, and dupatta has resham borders. The cost of the set is $999, free shipping. So there may be color variation in the video, so please refer the picture posted in our website for reference. So let us quickly take, there are 5 different color combinations in this. The next color is dark maroon with orange, dark maroon with dark orange, and this is mull cotton dupatta with resham borders. All these are complete tie and dye, and lot of workmanship is involved in this type of bandhani materials. So this is the next color. It's mossy green color with dark maroon combination, and this is the dupatta. It's a dual shaded dupatta in mull cotton with resham borders. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Every day we post new collections. This is the next shade. It's kind of sand brown, dark sand brown shade with dark maroon combination. The next color is bottle green with reddish maroon combination. The complete set is priced at 999. Next, this is one of our hit design. It's a digital printed silk cotton fabric in grey color, which has a beautiful floral prints on it with simple yoke and fancy buttons. The fabric is lightweight silk cotton, which has digital floral prints all over. Front and as well as at the back has the same print. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It's a single color. It is teamed with pink cotton bottom and a beautiful chiffon dupatta, which has embossed foil work in the floral pattern, and tapings are provided on all four sides. So this is the dupatta, a beautiful color combination. The cost of the set is 1049. Next we have fancy dress material. The fabric is jam cotton in dark fenugreek yellow, and this is the digital printed patchwork on yoke highlighted with thread work and foam mirror work. We also have gota lace work on the yoke part. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is jam cotton. It is not a transparent fabric, so lining is optional. It is in dark fenugreek yellow with navy blue combination. We also have foam mirror work done in the front side of the top with simple piping in the daman. So there might be color variation in the video due to the lighting. So this is dark fenugreek yellow with navy blue. So please refer the picture posted in our website, and description for each and every product is given. So we have navy blue cotton bottom and fancy silk cotton dupatta, a very soft fabric which is digital printed. It is a stole leg dupatta. The width of the dupatta is small with beautiful attractive prints with fancy tassels. We have two colors in this. The cost of the set is 999 free shipping. The next color we have with peach with blue, the same design. The fabric is jam cotton. So this is the top. It's kind of peachish pink color, navy blue cotton bottom, and digital printed soft silk cotton dupatta. Next we are going to see Kota silk cotton fabric, which has cut work all over, and it's also block printed. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is lightweight. The color is kind of maroonish pink. It's maroon and pink mixed. We have cut work all over the top, front side and the back, as well as the back are cut work. It is block printed as well, as you can see here. All these are cut work, and lining is needed. The fabric is lightweight, lining is needed. It is teamed with mehendi yellow silk cotton bottom. So some colors might appear too bright in the video, so please refer the picture. And this is the dupatta, and this is a fancy dupatta. It's lightweight fabric which also has cut work given as the borders. A beautiful color combination. It's a short width dupatta. And all these are thread embroidery. These are not printed. These are thread work done all over the dupatta with broad tapings on all four sides. Beautiful concept. The cost of the set is 1149. We have colors in this. The next is navy blue with turquoise green in Kota silk cotton fabric, which has cut work and block printed. We have turquoise green cotton bottom and a beautiful dupatta with all over embroidery. The complete set is priced at 1149. Next we have in bluish grey with reddish maroon combination. The top and the dupatta fabric are very lightweight and easy to carry. All these are in darker shades. It's dark grey with reddish maroon. Next we are going to see a designer set in premium cotton. The fabric is pure cotton, a very soft fabric. We have a thread work and foam mirror work done all over the top in yellow with dark grey combination in premium cotton. So this is the front side, which has heavy embroidery and foam mirror work done. The fabric is very soft and thin, so lining is needed. It is plain at the back. It's a beautiful combination, and the bottom is also wax batik in pure cotton and dupatta in mull cotton with batik work on it. It's a dual shaded dupatta in premium cotton dress. These are premium cotton dress materials. So this is the dupatta. It's a full length dupatta which has self checkered pattern, and tapings has to be done for the edges. A beautiful color combination. The cost of the set is 1499. It's a complete cotton set. We have colors in this. The next is light teal blue with pink combination in the same design what we saw now. This is teal blue color in sober shade. It's not too bright. We have pink batik dyed bottom and dual shaded pure mull cotton dupatta, which also has wax batik work. The complete set is priced at 1499. Next we have in green shade, sober green shade with mustard yellow combination. It's pure cotton material and dual shaded mull cotton dupatta which has wax batik work done on it. Totally we have 4 colors in this. This is the next shade. It's pink with mossy green combination which has all over embroidery and foam mirror work. Batik dyed cotton bottom and dual shaded mull cotton dupatta which also has batik dyed on it. The complete set is priced at 1499. Next we are going to see a beautiful set in viscose silk, a very soft and silky fabric in pastel blue shade, a very pale blue color with beautiful prints which has a round neck. We have cut bead work. In the yoke we have fancy buttons. The fabric is very soft and silky fabric, lightweight as well, with attractive floral prints. The fabric has shine. It is thin, so lining is needed. In the daman we have a gota lace work. It's a beautiful elegant set. It is teamed with thin soft teal blue cotton bottom and dupatta in fancy silk cotton which has thread work and sequence work done all over. So this is the dupatta for this, and gota lace tapings are provided on all 4 sides. A beautiful color combination, pale pastel blue shade with dark teal blue combination. We have 2 colors in this, one in pastel blue, the other one in pastel pink shade. The fabric is viscose silk, a very soft and silky fabric. You can place your order directly from our website neidhal.com from 12:30 p.m. today. We have soft thin cotton bottom and fancy silk cotton dupatta which has sequins and thread work and gota lace tapings on all 4 sides. The next design is in pure soft cotton fabric with embroidery, a machine embroidery work done on the yoke. It's in navy blue color. The fabric is very soft, thin fabric with embroidery pattern on the front side of the top. It's apt for office wear. The fabric is very soft and thin. Lining is needed. Matching fabric is provided, which can be either used as a lining or as a bottom as per your convenience. Teamed with soft mull cotton dupatta. It's a printed dupatta in mull cotton. And dupatta is also very thin and soft fabric in maroon color. The combination is beautiful. It's dark navy blue with maroon combination. So this is complete set is in cotton, soft cotton. The cost of the set is 1049. We have colors in this. The next color is dark green color. We have matching fabric, which can be either used as a bottom or as a lining, and mull cotton dupatta in dark fenugreek yellow. The next color is dark fenugreek yellow with dark green dupatta in mull cotton fabric. It's a printed dupatta. The complete set is soft cotton dress materials. All these are priced at 1049, free shipping all over India. So this is the next shade. It's dark maroon with navy blue printed mull cotton dupatta. Next we have a set in south cotton which has block prints on it in pink with orange combination. It's a printed one, it's a block printed one. Front and the back as well as the back has the same print. The daman we have a simple contrast piping. The fabric is not transparent, so lining is optional. It is teamed with light orange cotton bottom and dual shaded dupatta, which is the printed one in chiffon fabric. It's a single color and tapings are provided. Next we have a fancy dress material in navy blue color. The fabric is silk cotton. It has thread work and all these are sequence work done all over the top. The fabric has shine. It's a lightweight fabric in fancy silk cotton. We have sequence and thread work that is done on the front side of the top. And we have simple contrast piping in the daman. It is plain at the back. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It is teamed with light grey cotton bottom and dupatta in fancy silk cotton in light grey color, which has cut work and thread embroidery work in self grey color itself. So this is the dupatta for this. It's kind of silver grey with cut work and embroidery on one side and small floral pattern on the rest of the dupatta. A beautiful color combination, navy blue with silver grey, is a single color. The cost of the set is 1149. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.